Today, we're going to be rebuilding your arm movement, even if you can't grip or lift your arm yet, and we're going to do it all while staying in bed. In this video, we're going to be going through 80 tough repetitions to strengthen your affected arm, and we only need two things to do it. The first is a cane or a broomstick. I got this at the Dollar Tree for about $1 and it works great. And also, it'd be helpful to have a grip assist or glove like this. They are about $10 on Amazon, and let me tell you, they're worth every single penny. A link to this one is in the description below. Having a family member or caregiver to help get the glove on will definitely reduce frustration, and if they're willing, it's helpful to have them stabilize the cane with some of these exercises so you can get the most out of them. Let's start by securing your hand to the cane. This glove is designed to give support when your hand can't grip yet, so just slide your fingers through the loops and secure it to the wrist, and then finally strap your hand to the cane using this long strap. This will keep your hand from slipping off the cane during the movements so you can focus on muscle activation. Position yourself lying down flat or at a slight incline and hold the cane with both hands. We're going to start with shoulder flexion. Raise the cane from your hips towards the ceiling, then slowly back down. We are starting with a harder one here, so don't be afraid to grab a little closer for more support. Focus on keeping your elbows straight as you move through these reps. In this one, you're going to repeat for 12 times. The next exercise we're going to do is a chest press. For this one, you can start with the cane resting on your chest, and you're going to push the cane straight up towards the ceiling, then slowly lower it back down. Don't rush, remember to push through your chest muscle in this one, and try to extend your affected elbow all the way straight when you reach the top. You can repeat this one for 12 reps. The third exercise is shoulder abduction. With this exercise, you're going to hold the cane straight above your chest with both arms. From here, slowly lower the cane to the affected side, keeping your elbow straight. Then bring it back to the center. If reaching all the way out to the side feels like too much, it's okay. Just try to go halfway and work within your comfortable range. We're going to do 12 reps of this one. The fourth exercise we're going to do is cane circles. Start in the same position as the last exercise with your arms straight up above your chest. Move the cane in slow, small clockwise circles for 10 reps. Then switch the direction to counterclockwise for another 10 reps. Keep movement slow and steady. If you feel your affected elbow starting to bend, do your best to straighten it back out and finish the set. Before we move on, restrap your affected hand so the palm is now facing up. This new position will help activate different muscles. With the next two exercises, you may find it helpful to put a pillow under the elbow to prop it up. The next exercise is going to be working the rotator cuff in external rotation. Now, bend both elbows to 90 degrees with the cane and rotate the cane so that it moves outward, and then back to the center. Go ahead and repeat this 12 times. And we've saved the best for last. We're going to do a bicep curl. While keeping your elbows on the pillow, curl the cane towards your shoulders. If the affected side doesn't move, you can move your hands closer together and let the strong arm guide it. This still activates your brain. You can repeat this one for 12 reps. Great work today. You just completed 80 intentional repetitions, reconnecting your brain back to your body. And if you're looking to take your recovery to the next step, then be sure to check out my mirror therapy video over here, where we're going through 300 repetitions, connecting your brain back to your hand, and you don't need any hand movement to do so. So be sure to check that out, and I'll see you over there.